Today we're drawing the cutest Pusheen Christmas stocking ever, overflowing with frosting, sprinkles, and drips. Well, let's make it super chunky with Posca markers. So we're going to be drawing the cylinder for the top of the stocking. So these two dots determine how wide it is. Then I'm going to go ahead and draw a foreshortened circle. Using these two vertical lines. This is the top part of the stocking. And matching that line, we want the lip and the foot of that to match. Now we're going to start creating the shape of the stocking. And I made a little bit of a heel. And now's a good time to just go back over your outline, go back over your shape of your stocking. So as artists, we're always making adjustments as we're working. So if your stocking isn't overflowing with frosting and sprinkles, are you even celebrating Christmas? I think this is the only stocking in the world that comes with dessert included. So I'm going to add this little detail, just curving some lines down. I'm going to lightly curve a line up. This is establishing the size of the placement of the frosting on top. Now this is the width of Pusheen. Curving the line down. So pretty soon, Pusheen is going to be drowning in the frosting. It's definitely going to bring up the holiday cheer level. So we have these little triangular shaped ears. And once again, just go back over your shape. I'm going to erase out some of these construction lines now. And we have Pusheen is Kawaii style, so just these little dots for the eyes. And we have two lines that curve down for the mouth, for the upper lip. Yeah, I think Pusheen said, I heard Santa likes cookies, so I brought the whole batter. The little markings, these little ovals at the top of the head. And once again, the whiskers on the left-hand side. I'm going to curve a line up for this, start the Santa hat. And then once again, curving line up again. And then I'm going to draw a little circle. So I have these lines that are kind of curving around where Pusheen is sunken into the frosting. Now I'm curving lines out to the left. And now we're going to make it drippy. Just using some waving lines. And this is an example of overlapping. So now I'm going to start curving lines out to the right. You can see I'm just kind of following the outline of the stocking here. And curving some lines up. So now I'm going to go ahead and clean off this construction line. And now we have to make it look like Pusheen is sunken into this frosting here. So we're going to use these lines that curve up. And just going to continue that on the left-hand side. We're going to add a little bit more overlapping. We're going to add a candy cane and sprinkles. So I'm just going to use some circles to create the sprinkles. And then now I'm going to place the candy cane behind Pusheen on the left-hand side. Now I'm just going to kind of match that same line. And then I'm just going to finish it off with some cross contour lines. So these actually curve around the form, and it makes it appear to be more three-dimensional. Yeah, I think this stocking was supposed to hold presents, and now it holds a cat and, is that cake batter? Frosting. So I'm just going to go in with a Sharpie marker, and I do have a micron for some of the fine detailed work here on the mouth. I'm using Posca markers. These are really the best acrylic paint markers, in my opinion, for many different reasons. But we're using color as value, so whatever you have. I'm just starting off with a base color, so I have light gray for Pusheen. I had ivory, which is light yellow for the frosting, and red obviously for the base of the stock. And so now I'm using a second value with dark red and a third value with the coral pink. I'm using some beige to add some shadows now over the ivory for the frosting. Coloring in those sprinkles. And the cool thing with these paint markers is you can create gradations of value. So I had gray in the white marker, so I was able to create that shading. And just refreshing the outline now. Well, thanks for drawing with me today. I hope your Pusheen stocking turned out super adorable. Don't forget, more Christmas art is coming every day, so hit subscribe and come draw with me again tomorrow.